So there's this drone hovering in a field in England right now, and it's honestly kind of wild. No cockpit, no pilot, not even a tail rotor, and it's cheap enough that it makes a multi-million-dollar military helicopter look like a bad deal. Here's the part that really gets me though. One of the guys behind it spent years on TV eating scorpions and drinking his own filtered urine. Yep, Bear Grylls. This is Capstone, and it might genuinely be Britain's shot at replacing the helicopter. So here's the deal. It's built by this small UK company called Certo Aerospace, and it's a 600-kilogram Vtol drone, meaning it takes off and lands straight up, no runway needed, with a trick most helicopters don't have: 2 rotors stacked right on top of each other, spinning opposite ways, and 0 tail rotor. Why does that matter? Normal helicopters waste up to 1/5 of their engine power just fighting their own spin. That's literally the tail rotor's whole job. Capstone cancels that out for free, so all that power goes straight into flying farther and carrying more. And the numbers are genuinely impressive. It can lift its own body weight in fuel and cargo, stay up for 8 hours, fly 300 miles, and pretty much land itself, even if someone's jamming its GPS. It also folds down small enough that 2 of them fit in one shipping container. And the price tag for all that? About 800 grand. Sounds like a lot until you remember the helicopters it's trying to replace cost roughly 10 times more. This isn't just a cool concept either. Back in February 2026, Capstone flew an actual live demo for the Royal Navy, carrying sonobuoys and proving it could find and track a submarine. That's a job that used to need a multi-million-dollar helicopter and a full crew. The British Army's pushing it even further, testing Capstone as an armed robotic wingman that flies next to the Apache attack helicopter, potentially carrying anti-tank missiles alongside a human pilot, not instead of one. It's also being tested to autonomously scoop up wounded soldiers and fly them to safety. And about Bear Grylls, he's not just some celebrity name they slapped on for marketing. He's a real co-founder, and by the company's own account, his backing is literally what kept them afloat at one point. Kind of funny when you think about it. The guy famous for surviving with nothing is now bankrolling a machine built to keep pilots out of harm's way. None of this is a coincidence, by the way. The war in Ukraine has made militaries everywhere want exactly this kind of cheap, autonomous tech. But let's be real for a second. Capstone hasn't seen combat yet. This is all trials and demos so far, not proof it holds up when it actually counts. And handing more of these calls over to autonomous machines, that's a conversation that isn't going away anytime soon. No pilot, no tail rotor, and a price tag 1/10 of what it's replacing. Helicopters have had this job locked down for almost 100 years, and Capstone might genuinely be one of the first real challengers. So, what do you think? Could drones like this actually take over for crewed helicopters in the next 10 years? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe if you want more of these.